In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change title formats for SEO and browser tabs in Squarespace 7.1. We're going to update the page titles and descriptions that appear in search results and on your browser tabs, all from within Squarespace's built-in SEO tools. This is simple to do and makes a real difference in how people discover and recognize your site. Start by signing in to your Squarespace account to open the account dashboard. From there, open the site you want to edit. When you're on the site's dashboard, go to the website area, then open the SEO and AIO section. This is where Squarespace concentrates its search optimization tools, including previews, an optimizer, and quick ways to adjust metadata. On the SEO page, you may see a short overview about optimizing your site for traditional and AI-assisted search. Go ahead and click Optimize to let Squarespace scan your site and surface suggestions. If you get a prompt, click OK to continue. This quick pass helps prepare your metadata for editing. Next, look for the option to review metadata. This section shows how your pages appear in search results. Click into one of the previews to work on a specific page. You'll see a search style snippet with a title and description. If you want a head start, use Regenerate to let Squarespace suggest a new title and description. Confirm if you're asked to regenerate. These suggestions can be helpful for structure and keywords, but treat them as a draft. Now click Edit to customize the fields yourself. In the title field, write the text you want to appear in the browser tab and as the clickable link in search results. Aim for a clear format, like your primary term first, followed by your brand name. You can separate them with a vertical bar or a dash. Keep it concise. Around 50 to 60 characters is a good target, so it doesn't get cut off. Put the most important words up front. Avoid repeating the site name on every page unless it adds clarity, and make sure the title matches what the page is actually about. Consistency between your on-page heading and your title helps users and search engines understand the page instantly. Move to the description field. This is the short summary that appears under the title in search results. Think of it as your elevator pitch for the page. Describe the value clearly, include important phrases your audience might search for, and if it fits naturally, add a soft call to action. Try to stay within roughly 150 to 160 characters so the full message shows on most devices. Avoid copying the same description across multiple pages. Unique descriptions help each page stand on its own. When you're happy with both fields, click Save in the editor, then save again if there's a main save button for the page or panel. Squarespace will update your site's metadata immediately, though it may take time for search engines to reflect changes. You can repeat this process for your other key pages like your homepage, services, products, or blog posts. To see how your changes stack up, look for the SEO score on the SEO page. Click it to open the details. If you see a perfect score, great. That means you're covering the basics well. If it's lower, use the checklist as guidance, but always prioritize clarity for your audience. A strong, honest title and a compelling description will usually beat a keyword-stuffed approach. That's the full workflow. Open your site from the account dashboard, head to website, then SEO and AIO, run Optimize, review your metadata, regenerate if you want ideas, click Edit to refine the title and description, save your work, and check your SEO score. With these updates in place, your pages will read better in search, look cleaner in browser tabs, and help more people choose your results when they're scanning for answers.